side of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in the plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. God's country. I don't care what my headstone reads or what kind of pine wood box I end up in. When it's my time, lay me 6 feet deep in God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Yeah, I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.
Ain't nothing around here but farm fields and crickets, passed down acres and barbed wire fences, T-shirt hanging on a dogwood tree. I don't know about you, you don't know about me. I'm a country boy, I'm a country boy, born in the hills and raised in the holler. Break my back just to make a couple dollars. You don't know about this, I don't know about that. Might be a redneck, but don't call me white trash. I'm a country boy, I'm a country boy. Whoa, it's who I am, who I'll always be. Whoa, you do you and I'll do me. I'm a country boy. John Deere roots and blue jean lighters, parking lot beers and jacked up tires. Take a good look, what you get is what you see. You can cut the tree down, but the roots run deep. I'm a country boy. It's who I am, who I'll always be. Whoa, you do you and I'll do me. I'm a country boy. I'm a country boy. son, get back to work. Don't look like much, but it's heaven on dirt. And while the world's sinning, I'll be minding my own. I'll be standing my ground till they bury my bones. I'm a country boy. Yeah, I'm a country boy. Oh, it's who I am, who I'll always be. Whoa, you do you and I'll do me. I'm a country boy. Thank God I'm a country boy. I live and die just a country boy. Mama tried, I'm a country boy. On my grave it'll say I'm a country boy.